Hi, this tutorial is on LIFs. LIF is short for logical interface. In ONTAP, a logical interface is basically an IP address. Of course, a LIF has many more properties than just the IP address. In this tutorial, we'll focus on some of them. So we'll have a look at the IP address, we check the home port and the home node of a LIF. Also, we'll have a look at the failover group and the supported protocols at LIF level. So a LIF is configured upon a port, which may be a physical port or a virtual port. Ports were discussed in the ports how-to. In this tutorial we'll simply create a LIF on VLAN ports. A LIF can be migrated, which is a manual action, and a LIF can fail over, which happens when the current port is going down or has problems otherwise. Then a LIF can be reverted manually, or when the auto-revert property is enabled, then it will automatically fail back when the home port comes back up. An important note would be that only NAS LIFs will fail over. A SAN LIF will never fail over to another node. So failover properties are discussed for NAS LIFs only. Another important note is that a LIF can support one or more protocols. However, if the LIF supports a NAS protocol, it cannot also support a SAN protocol, and vice versa. So if the LIF supports NFS, for example, it can't support iSCSI. So the protocols at the SVM level differ from the LIF level. The SVM can support all protocols at the same time, but the LIF can only support one type of protocol at the same time. So it's either NAS or SAN, not both at the same time. And another very important note is that a LIF can only be created in the IP space that the SVM is connected to. So when you create the storage virtual machine, that SVM is automatically connected to one of the available IP spaces. Now by default, an SVM is connected to the IP space default. But if you want to create LIFs in another IP space to which the SVM is not connected, you can't create them. So you can't change that either. You will have to delete the SVM and recreate it. So this is what we'll do. We create a LIF that supports a NAS protocol and give it an IP address. We'll create a failover group and connect the LIF to that failover group. Then we migrate and we revert. We change the home port and home node and see what happens when we do that. So let's have a look at it.